Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Fresh Values reward card on the Smiths app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Say that you're shopping at Smiths and you need to go ahead and pull up your Fresh Values reward card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Smiths app. Next, go ahead and click on the profile icon on the top left-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, and then you're going to find where it says Fresh Values Rewards Card. Click on that. So this is where you can find your Fresh Values reward card as well as your card number and actually add the scan. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Fresh Values reward cards on the Smiths app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.